all the anticipation, and the Dream 11 2020 IPL is finally upon us. Here we are in Abu Dhabi. It's a very different world we are living in. The two captains alongside me, the big boys of IPL, CSK and Mumbai Indians, the home team being Mumbai Indians, Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, the match referee Manu Nair. And Rohit, do you have the coin? Manu Nair has the coin.
Heads. Heads is the call.
Heads is the call.
We'll bowl first.
MS has won the toss. MS, what would you like to do? Look, we're all socially distanced. It's all going to take a while to get used to.
Yeah, so that's why I asked the match referee if we can keep first slip or it comes under the rules and regulations of social distancing.
So I'm the keeper basically.
So we can't keep a first slip. So we are looking to bowl first.
What is the reason behind it?
What we felt in Dubai was in the evening, late evening, you get a bit of dew. And also I feel, to keep the wicket in a good condition, usually they'll water it. So it has a tendency to be tacky, at the start.
I have to ask this to you. This is the biggest I've ever seen you in my life. You've been spending a lot of time in the gym, those guns, that chest.
Well, you have the liberty during lockdown, to spend some time on yourself. Could not do a lot of physical running and all, but yes, being at home for 4-5 months, what was the best thing to do? So hit the gym, try to do as much as possible and, maybe look fit.
Retired from all formats except the IPL. Been with the team. Obviously, you guys have a couple of guys missing, big names missing. How's it been, this practice? Yes, it's been a long time since anybody has played. What have you done?
Well, I think first of all, we need to applaud, the contribution from each and every member of the squad because it's a new set of rules, that needs to be followed. And the first 6 days of isolation, that's a very difficult one. And what makes it most difficult is the fact that you spend 5 months with your family, with them and, parents, wife, children around you, and all of a sudden you are, sitting in your room, on your own. So that was a tough thing, but I felt each and every individual, they used that time well, and nobody was really disappointed or frustrated. And after that, whatever time we got with the practice facilities, I felt the facilities were very good and we made the most out of it. So overall, very good preparation time, and I think it's because of the boys that we had so much fun, because after the first 6-7 days, for us it was 12 to 14 days. I think it was nice to get out.
Nearly won the game against them in the last year's epic final. Is there a bit of revenge in your mind?
Well, I've always said, it's a sport, and being a gentleman's game, you don't think about revenge. You think about the mistakes that, personally you have committed or as a team that you have committed, because of which we were not able to win the game. So try to rectify all of that. And not only in this particular game, try to make sure that you don't keep repeating the same mistakes again and again.
And you're playing 11 for today?
The 4 foreigners, the Watto, Faf, Sam and Lungi, are playing this game.
Thanks. Best of luck, MS. Rohit, again, we are socially distanced, but what would you have done? It's your home game, it's your home place. You've been here for a while now.
Yeah, we would have looked to bowl first as well. Gets slightly better to bat under the lights. But nevertheless, it's a good pitch. We've been here for a few weeks now, so we understand the condition a little better. So yeah, don't mind batting first on this pitch.
You haven't picked up a bat in anger for a while yourself. Loved the...
Trent Bolt. Obviously, Coulter-Nile is just some time away from the game. Still had some niggle issues, so it's going to take a bit of time. But yes, gives us a great opportunity to bring in Pattinson. He's been bowling really well for Australia for a few months now. So yeah, we're looking forward to a great game. Hopefully, we can change things around and win the first game.
Thanks a lot, Rohit. Thanks a lot, and go well today.
Thank you.
And that's it. From out here in the center is that CSK has won the toss and will bowl first.
I'm gonna set your face on fire. Let's get higher.